Hello guys, hope you're doing great. In today's video, we will be discussing the tips and tricks to ace your online exams. I'm sure by the end of the video, you will learn how to use your time effectively on the exam day. And if you follow every tips carefully, this will definitely help you to minimize the stress and enhance the productivity. I have splitted the video into 7 parts, that is a week before exam, a day before exam, getting ready for the exam day, how to use your reading time, how to utilize your writing time, how to handle the technical glitch, finally the after exam scenario. Now let's begin with the week before exam. Firstly, you should become a computer savvy. Since it's an online exam, you should become familiar with using mouse, keyboard, screen reading so that you will become comfortable taking the online test. Next, practice. Practice to read from the computer or laptop screen alongside typing the answers, doing calculations from the keyboard, etc. If possible, take practice online test which will help you to ace your time management skill. Thirdly, know the test format and prepare your study schedule. You should know the test format, whether it's MCQ, essay writing, descriptive type, match the following, fill in the blanks, etc. Once if you know this format, then you can prepare and practice accordingly. Most importantly, do study for your exams. Study all the class materials and other important questions given by your instructor. Make a plan and study every subject as per the schedule. Coming to a day before exam, in short, this day can be called as a day to check, recheck, organize, and revise everything. So now let's see what it is. First, check your computer. See that your computer functions well and is devoid of any software updating or hibernating process or restarting. If yes, then change the date and time of the software updating after your exams. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure twice your internet connection remains stable throughout the exam time. Next, find a calm spot to take the test with minimal distractions. If possible, kindly inform your family members about your exam schedule and request them not to disturb you until the exam gets over. Fourth, decide when you will take the test. If the test window is open for 24 hours but the duration of the exam is for 3 hours, then decide when you will take the test and then prepare accordingly. Fifth, the organizing part. Gather and organize all the things like rough paper, etc., that you will need to take the test. Do organize your study table with laptops, chargers, Wi Fi connections, and other materials that you will need for the exam. Finally, revise your class materials given by your instructor. Even if it's an open book exam, make sure you thoroughly went through the class materials. Have a light dinner and go to bed early. Don't eat a heavy meal and don't do any night study before your exam day. Getting ready for the exam day. Start your day relaxed and don't get stressed even if you did not cover your entire syllabus. Communicate positively that you will be able to perform to the best of your knowledge. Eat a light meal and drink enough water. Before the exam, go for a washroom and fresh up yourself. Remember, you cannot use the restroom in between the exams until and unless you have some medical condition. Finally, dress for success and stay motivated. Next, the reading time. Once the exam starts, the first thing is that you will be directed to the instruction page. So here, you have to read every instructions carefully. Do check for the number of questions and what kind of questions will be asked in each sections. For example, if section A contains MCQ or section B contains grammar, like that. Check for the duration of the exam and allocate the time for each section. For example, if you can allocate 10 to 20 seconds to write one MCQ or 2 minutes to write 10 MCQ based on the duration of the exam, decide which section you want to attend first. Most importantly, take a deep breath and stay relaxed. Now, the writing time. Carefully read the full question. Don't read in a hurry as you may misread the question and give wrong answers. Start writing the question that seems to be easy for you. Use logic when taking the test. For example, in case of multiple choice question, if you don't know any answer, start to eliminate the irrelevant option first and then decide the answer. Attempt all the questions which you don't know after attempting the questions which you can answer well. Keep a track of time and stick to your allocated time for each answer. Answer all the questions, don't leave any blank page. Finally, check and recheck all your answer before submitting. Don't leave the exam page in the middle. Utilize all the time to finish the exam. Now the technical glitch part. Do not get panic in case of technical glitch. Do take the screenshot and notify your instructor right away. Even if you quit the page accidentally, contact the instructor immediately and convey the message to him. After exam scenario, assess your own progress and ask yourself how you can improve your performance and improve them on the next exam. Have a good meal and take a good nap before you start to prepare for the next exam. Hope you guys found this video useful and you will use these tips to ace your online exam. Thank you guys for watching. All the best to you.